Wow, I am selling my Teuna Classic LONC. I'm selling out my Teuna Classic. I'll be selling out all my Teuna Classic holding. I've been holding Teuna Classic for years right now, but based on my technical and fundamental analysis, I just concluded if Teuna Classic drops to $350 million market cap, I'll be selling off my Teuna Classic LONC, because from that point, it will be difficult for Teuna Classic to rise. It will take years. And for me, definitely, I don't want to be waiting for years. There are other crypto coins I would definitely be investing, be buying these coins, because I know that within the first year, I know how much I'll be making investing on these coins. But for Teuna Classic, I believe if Luna drops to $350 million market cap, the price of Teuna Classic will also drop. Teuna Classic will be trading with about 5 zeros, or I'll be heading towards 6 zeros, which is not good for Teuna Classic LONC. It will be very difficult for Luna to revive, to bounce back once Luna gets to that point of hitting $350 million market cap and also trading with over 5 zeros. Okay, though what I mean by 5 zeros, recently Teuna Classic just deleted a zero, but I simply mean if Luna keeps on dropping to the extent where the market cap right now, which is trading at over $500 million, dropped 350, definitely I'll be pulling out of Teuna Classic LONC, because it simply means Luna is back to May 2022, where after the crash of Teuna Classic, where they started. So I can't be waiting for Teuna Classic. This is why we are hoping that the developers, CZ, and other crypto exchanges can pull hands together to support Teuna Classic not to drop to that point. Not just me particularly, so many people are still watching, so many people are monitoring Teuna Classic. A little drop more, you see a massive pulled out of Teuna Classic. So many people have already pulled out. So we just want to see how we can attract those people and other new people back to Teuna Classic. But if nothing is done, definitely I'll be pulling out of Teuna Classic to invest in other crypto coins. So please be watchful and don't buy Teuna Classic coin for now. Just wait and know the direction, know what is going to happen in the next few weeks before you can decide to buy more, or you can decide to keep on holding your Teuna Classic LONC. But please remember that this is not a financial advice. Can you do your own research before taking any decision? Once again, don't forget to turn on the notification in order not to miss our next videos.